Hello guys, welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we will prepare simple veg omelette and this is the right way to do it. So let's begin by cracking 2 eggs in a bowl. Whisk them well, and once they are well whisked, then heat a pan with some oil. Only and only when the oil is hot, then you add in your eggs. So pan is good enough. We've added the eggs. We'll add some salt, pepper, some mushrooms, onions, bell peppers. We'll flip the eggs around. After a couple of minutes, when one side is done, we'll cook the other side. And here you go, my friends, your delicious egg will be ready in no time. Now you can enjoy this omelette over a piece of bread, like you can toast it. You can also enjoy it with like a Indian flatbread parantha. It's a healthy, tasty, quick snack. Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel.